Hello everyone. Welcome to Sanmargaha classes. Question number 20 from Jamaican fragment lesson. What does the story teach us? You have to write in one sentence. Okay, what does the story teach us? You have studied this story. You have read this story, isn't it, children? So when the narrator saw two boys playing, one white boy and one brown boy, he thinks the evils of the society. But later on, he came to know, he realized that there was nothing in their play. Okay, so this story teaches us about ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಬ್ರದರ್ಹುಡ್ ಭ್ರಾತೃತ್ವ ವಿಶ್ವ ಭ್ರಾತೃತ್ವದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪಾಠವು ಲೆಸನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ನೀತಿಯನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.